Why is a capacitor used with DC motors in toys? At first glance, a toy motor looks very simple. Just connect a battery and it starts spinning. So a common question comes to mind. Why is there a small capacitor attached to the motor at all? The motor already works without it. So what's the secret behind this tiny component? The answer begins inside the motor itself. When a DC motor runs, metal brushes inside it constantly touch and leave the rotating commutator. This contact is not smooth. Tiny sparks are produced every time the contact changes. These sparks create sudden voltage spikes and electrical noise. You cannot see or hear it easily, but electrically the motor becomes very noisy. Now imagine this noisy motor inside a toy. The toy may also have lights, sound circuits, sensors, or a small control chip. The electrical noise from the motor can travel through the wires and disturb these parts. Lights may flicker, sounds may glitch, and sometimes the toy may stop working properly. This is where the problem begins. Here comes the capacitor. The capacitor is placed across the motor terminals like a silent guard. Whenever a sudden spike or noise appears, the capacitor quickly absorbs it. Instead of letting the noise spread through the circuit, the capacitor smooths it out. The result is cleaner power and calmer electronics. But that's not all. When a motor suddenly starts or stops, it creates sharp voltage changes. These spikes can slowly damage delicate electronic components. The capacitor reduces these sudden shocks, protecting the circuit and increasing the life of the toy. There's another benefit too. With less noise and smoother voltage, the motor runs more smoothly. The movement becomes less jerky, the sound becomes quieter, and the batteries are used more efficiently. So the next time you see a tiny capacitor on a toy motor, remember this: it is not there by accident. It is there to control the hidden chaos inside the motor, keeping the toy quiet, stable, safe, and reliable. A small component, a big responsibility.